got on the interstate, everybody started hitting their brakes, and I see black smoke way up there in the front. Of course, I keep getting people whipping over in front of me. I don't know what that means. I sure hope I'm not about to hit something bad. I guess we're about to find out. Yeah, it's black smoke up here. It's not a lot of it, but let me turn the camera just a tad. It's going to be kind of to my left, I think. I just came down on the other side, so this had to be, whatever's up here has to be pretty recent. Could be a grass fire. I've seen that before, where we're driving up the road and there's a grass fire. It's not affecting the interstate at all, but people still slow down, come to a stop. Yeah, it's a lot of smoke. Man, if I was smart, I'd get off the interstate, but trying to get up here to a hot spot. Oh damn, I think it might be in this lane. Shoot. Oh man, I think it's in my lane. Whatever it is. I thought it was a grass fire. Yeah, to get over. Let's see if this person wants me to get over. I got my left turn signal on. Let's see. Something's on fire up there. You see it? Thank you, bro. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if I even needed to get over here. I just got over here because everybody else did. I don't hear any sirens. This had to be real brand new. It's funny, all the people that were in this lane that are getting over. Turn this a little bit. Yep, there was a reason how I got over here, people. Holy crap. Yeah, the truck's on fire. Okay, yeah, he detached the main cab from, what do we call it? Main cab. Holy crap. I got to get out of here. Man, that's hot. I hope that doesn't blow up. Wow. The guy was gonna get out with a fire extinguisher. I don't know if you're gonna do a whole lot of good there, bro. I mean, I guess it's the thought that counts. That was pretty crazy. Well, anyways, it's just in case you want to know, it's 5:45 p.m. It's 100 degrees. I've been dashing for a while now. All right, well, that was interesting.